Today, a friend of mine is going to show you how to put up sheetrock on the ceiling all by yourself.
This is the Old Guy Network.
Yep. Welcome back to the Old Guy Network. I'm the old guy, the OG, Jay. You knew that already. Well, it's nice to have you stop by the trailer hood. I sure do appreciate it. I'm kind of lonely, you know, so welcome. And as I mentioned just a few seconds ago, a good friend of mine, Mr. Gary West, he's doing some projects at his house. Actually, he's been doing some projects for the past few years, and he's pretty good. I wouldn't exactly call him a master carpenter, but if he wanted to be, he really could. Just need to slow him down a little bit, but he's very clever. He's got some great ideas, and this might not be one of them. Or it might be genius. I don't know. You tell me. But he decided to finish up his bathroom. He's putting a bathroom together, and he's going to install sheetrock all by himself and on the ceiling. So let's take a look and see what that looks like.
For all of you DIYers out there thinking about hanging a little sheetrock, particularly on the ceiling this weekend, you might get 2 or 3 people to help you keep it safe. But if you were raised the way I was in a small town on the coast with very little supervision and very little correction, kind of roll your own way. Pretty tight quarters. Yeah, this isn't for the faint of heart, you know. It's not for the well-educated either. Oh, shit. We'll edit that comment out. Hell no, I don't need help. What type of help you talking about? We putting this video on the kids channel, honey, or the adult channel? I'm just trying to figure out what type of language I can use. So, we're gonna regroup here, ladies and gentlemen. I gotta swing one end of the sheetrock about 1/8 of an inch. I don't wanna have to hold my verbiage. We'll be right back with you. Well, I think we've got things back under control. A lot smaller adjustment than I thought was necessary. But, anyways, you don't want to do things this way. You know, you only got one back. That's what I've heard. Got one back to last you a lifetime. Unfortunately for me, you've only got one brain too. But don't hold that against me. This isn't a union operation, so I don't get a lot of time off. I've only had a couple cups of coffee today. We'll leave that 2x4 until I get the rest of the screws in. Anyway, we'll be back with you with another safety tip as this project develops. I appreciate you tuning in.
And that, folks, is my accountant. I'm not kidding. Like I said, we've known each other for almost 50 years, and he actually is very well educated. Went to one of them universities, don't you know? Well, it was a college when he went there, but now it's a university, so it counts. And he actually is a very talented accountant, and he's very funny. I really thought he was going to fall off that day. I thought that's why he put the video up in the first place. But he didn't, and as you can see, that's probably not the best way to do it, but it was pretty clever the way he did it, and chances are he probably saw that on a YouTube channel somewhere. So, I don't know. Gary is he's the guy that I've been trying to get over here for about a year. Not only I wanted to put him on here. I mean, it's the Old Guy Network. I want to help out old people and give them some advice on what they can do with their taxes, especially with the COVID thing and everything. He's been too damn busy. He has not been able to get over here. Can't even get him to do a Zoom conference yet, but I'd love to do a Zoom interview with him once a week, man, or once a month. Just give me once a month, Gary. You can update us on what you're doing at your house, because and put in the stuff that you mess up too. I do that all the time. It's much more entertaining that way. Just don't get hurt. I don't want to see you get hurt. And the other thing you got to remember about this guy is he's in very, very good shape. He's in better shape now at his age. He's got to be my age, 57, 58. He's in better shape now than I was in my 20s. That's no lie. This guy runs. He works out all the time. He goes to a gym. I mean, he used to go to a gym. I don't know what he does now, with this whole lockdown thing. But he's in very good shape. One day I was walking. I used to walk, about 10 miles a day. And he passed me 3 times running. That's no kidding. But he's a wonderful person. And he's been a very good friend to me. And some days I just go outside to let the dog out, and there'll be pallets laying in the driveway or laying in the yard, and I know they come from Gary. He doesn't even tell you; he just does stuff for you, and that's the kind of person he is. So he does have a YouTube channel. I will leave a link in the description below, and you can check that out. Also, today I wanted to, that was worth the price of admission, right? Yeah, you didn't pay anything. But we can head out to the shop now. I'm going to show you how I take apart one of the pallets. Usually I put them across the sawhorses and do it. This time I tried something different, just lean them up against the sawhorses, and it worked out pretty well. But this is how I'm taking them apart to put them on the walls of the shed. So let's take a look at that. That one was a little easier than the one I did before. The ones I did before were all 100% solid hardwood, and those stay together
a lot harder. They're more secure. These here, they're just regular 2x4s, soft wood, so the nails come right out. So that one's easy. The ones I did over there that you didn't see, those were all hardwood, and they're kind of a mixed blessing because I can make some really nice stuff after I, run it through my my joiner, and later on when I get a planer, that would be nice, except for the fact that they've got a lot of nails in them, and you don't always get all the nails out. So I don't want to be running nails through my joiner. So, but these are easy. This one here, these are a lot easier to take apart. And now I've only got about another, 16, 7, no, I've got 21 more to go. And I got to get that done before I can do the unboxing. So I'm going to get back to work, and hopefully we're going to have an unboxing for you.
Well, the good news is I did get almost all of the pallets cut out. 2 I left out for Krista. She wants to make a coffee table, I guess. So yeah, we'll have to see when next time she stops by. Maybe she's going to make a coffee table. It's going to be a big coffee table if she's going to use 2 whole pallets. But yeah, who knows? Maybe it's going to be a double-decker. I don't know. Well, she's so small. Maybe she's going to make a bunk bed. I don't know. But yeah, I got those all done. There's still 6 more, but they're outside under a tarp behind the shed. So just as soon as I can, I'm going to drag those in. But I want to get the unboxing done for you. But I'm still putting up the pallet wood on the walls. It's coming along pretty well. You take a look here. You can see this was just before I cut the rest of the pallets. And over here, you'll notice that I'm not just using pallets. I'm using whatever material I can find. Way over there in the corner, that's actually some of the MDF that they used for that little cart that Krista gave me. I put that up there. What the hell? I don't care. And I had some plywood already on the walls, but I took that down, cut it to the appropriate size, and as you can see, I've started putting some of my tools back up on the wall too. And I should have that whole side done sometime tomorrow morning. I certainly hope so anyway. There's no reason why I can't. I've got everything cut. I should be able to just put everything on the wall and call it good, So we're gonna try that tomorrow. And the good news is, once I get this all done, there is no bad news. It's all good news. I am gonna have the unboxing, so we should have the unboxing for you on Monday. And if you forget what that is, because it's been so damn long, it's my Wen, that's W-E-N, Wen 6-inch tabletop joiner. And I can't wait to get this thing unboxed and put it together, try it out, and demonstrate it a little bit. It's been a long time since I've used a joiner, since high school, and that's over 40 years ago, or almost 40 years ago. So, it's been a while since I've used an actual joiner. So it's going to be nice. There's so many things I can do with it, and it's going to make the wood so much better. Like I've said in the past, it's going to step up my game a little bit, and I should be able to make some pretty nice projects. So, and I got to get started soon on the squirrel picnic tables. I got to have those ready. The online store is all set to go. I just need product to put in there. So, yeah, I'm pretty damn busy. Well, thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I sure do appreciate it. You're welcome back anytime here at the Trailer Hood. And thank you, Gary, for sharing your video with us. And hopefully we'll have more videos with Gary. He said he's going to do some more, so let's find out. We'll have that to look forward to. So I think it's time for me to take off. I'm the OG, and I'm out.